The ragnaroc Tillandsia Tectorum Air Plants stand out with their soft, silvery fuzz and sculptural form that instantly adds character to shelves, desks, and terrariums. Because they do not need soil and only ask for occasional misting and bright indirect light, they are exceptionally easy to keep happy, even for beginners or busy owners. Their fine trichomes not only give them a cloud-like look, but also help them pull moisture and nutrients from the air, making them surprisingly resilient in normal household conditions. Grouped as a set, these plants create a cohesive display that works equally well in minimalist decor, boho arrangements, or mounted on driftwood and hanging pieces. Each plant is carefully selected, so you receive healthy, well-shaped specimens that are ready to display right out of the box with minimal adjustment. With their unusual texture and simple care needs, they make a thoughtful gift for plant enthusiasts, design lovers, or anyone who wants living decor without a demanding routine.